eBay. Got the 8348 old Boker knife. It's a medium jackknife. It's got a clip blade, pen blade, red bone handles. With all the blades closed, it's 3 inches and 3/8, so 3 3/8 inches. It's a real good knife, real solid knife, real solid knife. Great walk and talk. I mean, that thing, no wobble, tight, good snap. This is your clip blade. Kind of see your usual wear and tear for a mid-60s Boker. This is a Boker USA mid-60s knife. That's the pen blade. Real good walk and talk. Just solid. Red bone handles. It's got the rings on the bolster. It's a great old Boker USA. All right. Any questions? Feel free to ask. Happy bidding.